In September 2020, Razer unveiled the Blackshark V2 Pro, a wireless gaming headset developed specifically for esports. I really liked it at the time because it was comfortable and lightweight. Since then, a great deal has changed in the headset market, and the V2 Pro was beginning to show its age for a flagship. But I guess it's not that worn out that Razer felt the need to fully invest in a V3. So the business updated it, gave the new model the model number 2023, added Bluetooth, a new microphone, and made some other minor aesthetic and functional changes. Mixed results as a whole. The Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 is currently available for $200, which is $20 more than what its predecessor cost at launch. You won't miss much by choosing that and saving $70 if you don't need Bluetooth or a better microphone. Razer improved the headset's compatibility with consoles and mobile devices by adding Bluetooth, which is always a plus. Razer did, however, give up the analog wired connection, which disappointed me because having wired is useful as a backup if the wireless decides to act up, or if you need to diagnose any wireless connection issues. Sadly, this is a common move. That means, for instance, that while working on your PC and listening to music on your phone, the music will stop if you click on a web page that contains any media elements, even if they are muted. A Do Not Disturb mode in Synapse can stop Bluetooth from interfering with gameplay. You can now switch between equalizer profiles while listening, including one custom profile that was downloaded using Synapse. The rotation includes specially tuned profiles for Apex Legends, Call of Duty, CSGO, Fortnite, and Valorant, among other competitive games. Although I preferred the previous model's wideband 16 kHz super cardioid microphone, the new microphone dubbed Super Wideband is a significant improvement. It can produce a crisper, fuller sound that is still warm enough for chat. One is included with the foam pop filter and also built into the microphone. It genuinely does change things. Therefore, it's a big help if you think the bulky foam covers can be uncomfortable. They can get misplaced and gather crumbs and dust. And awkward. Software noise cancellation is supported by the microphone and is effective, but it is only accessible through Razer's Synapse application. Despite having a slightly stiffer boom, it is still detachable, and there is no indication that it is muted. One of the changes is a headband that is a little bit stiffer and has, in Razer's words, refined clamping force. Unfortunately, the change is significant enough that the headset has changed from being comfy to ouch, it's pressing on my jaw, despite squishier padding. Your results may vary, at least in my head. However, the fact that it weighs only 11.3 ounces or 320 grams is helpful. Since Synapse must be running in order to use surround sound, you cannot toggle it. Naturally, the Blackshark uses Razer's THX surround, but I'm not a huge fan of it. It's acceptable for ambient surroundings, such as hearing stray conversations around you. Since my ears perceive the sound waves to have too broad of a source for precisely locating them, I have never been a fan of it for locating sounds like footsteps or gunshots. THX support is currently available in about 45 games, which is a small increase from 16 since the V2 launched in 2020. It makes sense that half of them are multiplayer competitions. Razer claims that the battery life has increased from 24 to 70 hours, but I'm not sure what conditions that is based on. I didn't see nearly that much. Based on my mixed use, I extrapolate that I'd get closer to 50 hours at most. It's still not terrible. You can also charge them while using them. Razer switched from microUSB to USB-C, and the company asserts that you can get 6 hours of battery life after 15 minutes of charging. Although Razer now includes USB extender for the dongle, the receiver range hasn't changed. That might address some of the issues with the older model's weak 2.4 GHz wireless signals that I've read about, which can be brought on by the receiver's close proximity to other components of your system. The range is still about 30 feet, with some walls in between, as far as I can tell. The Razer Blackshark V2 Pro is definitely worth consideration if you don't have problems with headset fit. I seem to have more issues with pressure on the sides of my head than most people, but I guess Princess meets PE. What do you think about the new headset? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and good luck.